Are you guys ready? I hope you are, because I sure am. Here's what I'm making for tonight's zero effort dinner. Baby, bust out the crock pot. Okay, you're going to need a whole container of barbecue sauce. I'm using honey sweet. I usually do the Sweet Baby Ray's, but I don't know, I was feeling cheap, so plop that in. Just pretend you can see my other eye, but next we're gonna put in some Olive Garden Italian dressing. Don't do the whole bottle, but you know, just do a generous amount. All right, this angle's better, isn't it? Okay, we're gonna add in a little bit of brown sugar. I don't know, like a fourth a cup? Just whatever feels right, go with your heart. And a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I usually do like 2 spoonfuls. I'm just gonna mix that all up. Now, if you're feeling a little frisky, like I always am, you can throw in a little bit of banana pepper rings and a little bit of the juice, but totally optional. Now cook it on low, and then we're gonna eat it like a soup. Just kidding. Okay. Of course, we're gonna grab our boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm doing 3, and I'm placing them in the bottom. Make sure they are fully coated. Actually, you can do more chicken breasts than this, because this is a lot of sauce. And then you know what to do next. We're gonna cover it and cook on low until the chicken is cooked. We're back and we're ready to shred. Now you can use regular buns, but I am a Hawaiian rolls type of person. So I'm gonna put some butter in a pan and get the edges of the rolls just nice and buttery and crispy. Oh, I could just eat it like that. I drizzled a little bit of the sauce on top to add some more flavor, and there's a coleslaw. Oh yeah, these are gonna be good. Time for the taste test. That's right, we're making scotcheroos today if you've never had one. Oh my gosh, they're delicious, super easy, the best dessert ever. Let's go. Over low heat, pour in 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of sugar. Keep stirring continuously, but don't let it boil. All right, it's nice and warm. Now we're gonna add in 1 cup of peanut butter. And it can start hardening, so mix fast. Bring your mixture over and you're gonna get 5 cups of Rice Krispies. Pour it over and stir really fast. Now transfer the mixture into a greased pan. Now in a microwave safe mixing bowl, you're gonna pour 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1 cup of butterscotch chips. Put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds and then do increments of like 10 seconds to melt it because you don't wanna burn it. This is what it should look like. Now quickly pour it over your Rice Krispie mixture. Spread it out evenly. Now you put them in the refrigerator to harden up, or you can eat them warm and gooey like I like them. Delicious! Here's what I'm making for tonight's zero effort dinner, so if you're a lazy cook like me, let's get started. We're gonna start by cracking 4 eggs in a bowl. Next, add in 1/2 cup of self-rising flour, 1½ cups of milk, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk everything together. Add in a ton of your favorite shredded cheese. I don't know, like a little over a cup. Then we're gonna add in your favorite shredded lunch meat. Some mixed veggies, these are frozen. And mix all that together. And now I'm just gonna dump the mixture in a circle greased pan. We're ready for the oven. I got it heated to 350 degrees. Now we're gonna bake it for about 40 minutes. Look at that beauty. Look at this perfect little slice. Gorgeous. I like mine with a little bit of salsa. This is what I call breakfast for dinner.